Where are we? Who are you? And this is a lot of trash glass. What are we doing here?
Yes, we are at Reiling Glass Recycling at our plant in Osterwedding, close to Magdeburg. We are one of the biggest player at flat glass recycling in Germany and in Europe. And my name is Mike.
Mike. Hi, Mike.
Hi.
Trashed glass.
Yes.
I imagine I have a construction site and I demolish the building. I put it all in one big container and you sort it. So you get concrete, bricks, glass, the metal frames,
Yes, spray cans and so on. Yes,
the whole setting.
the whole setting. Yes.
And this is what you sort.
Yes, correct. But we try to avoid to have the contaminations when the glass will come to us, because it's very important to have a clean glass sort to process it.
I see. That's what the aluminium friends say as well. If they have, if you trash a window with glass, so aluminium is separated from the glass itself. Okay, so there's one container with glass, which then comes to this place.
Yes,
But
correct.
when we look at it, IGUs, insulated glass units, and I see triple IGUs with a lot of glass, but there's still a lot of silicon, the spacer, the aluminium spacer. How do you organize that? How do you get that separated? Because glass industry can only use the glass.
Yes, yes. These are several processing steps in our line. The first step is to shred it, to have it in smaller pieces to take it in our processing line, and then to remove the different contaminations, impurities. Through sieving, then through magnetics for magnetics metals, with every current machine for aluminium frames. Organics will be sorted out by an exsorting system. Then we have a sorter, an optical sorting machine, which can sort out pieces from CSP, that means ceramics, stones and porcelain. You have a camera in the sorting line, and then you have a light on the other side. And when these pieces passing the sorting machine are transparent, then it's okay, it's glass. And when it's not transparent, it will be sorted out.
But this must be, so you have to crunch glass, small pieces, small components. And then this is sorted and you can get magnetic-wise the metals out, I get that. And then it's say floating, and you need to have a camera detecting it in milliseconds. And then I guess by air you push them, the silicon, for example, you push them out as a setting. Yeah. And then there's, say, as a leftover, you have a granulate of pure glass, different sizes. Is it important to have them all super small, or that doesn't matter, the size of them?
No, it doesn't matter, but we need smaller pieces because we have to remove the PVB foil. Yeah. That's one of the reasons. And so we have to crush it a little bit more down, and then you have the loose foil, and you can sort it out by an exsorting system.
I see. And then this is then the glass comes into a container, goes to glass industry to be reused in their systems, and then you have a bunch of leftover other materials.
Right.
And then the metal goes into a recycling process. The polymers go for firing, I guess. That's what you normally do with polymers as a setting. I see. And this is only for flat glass.
Yes.
You also have laminated glass, which means the foil itself is the problem, the issue. And how do you separate that? How do you separate the foil from the glass?
We separate it, we have a crushing machine, and then you have smaller pieces of the laminated glass. And in this process, you get the loose foil separated from the glass. And then you have the loose foil and you have the glass pieces, and you can sort it out by an exsorting system, the loose foil.
I see. And then this is then separated.
Yes.
And then the glass stays as it is.
Right.
Last question to this, hollow glass, the glass bottles which we all throw into the collecting devices. Is this something which we would use here?
No, in this case or not. We have really separate flat glass and bottle glass. The chemistry is another
I see.
thing, and yes,
And the
by
color.
the color,
And the
it's
color.
a problem as well.
So this is pure flat glass, which goes into flat glass production,
Right.
while the hollow glass, the bottle glass, is a completely different story.
Yes,
That's what
completely
you
different.
see over there. That's a different story,
Yes.
different video. Hey, thank you. This was cool.
Yes, yes, you're welcome.